Structural organization in plants and animals. Important MCQ. 1. In which of the following plants are thorns modified stems? Answer. B. Bougainvillea. 2. Which type of inflorescence features a main axis that continues to grow and flowers borne in an acropetal order? Answer. B. Racemose. 3. The fleshy edible part of an onion represents. Answer. C. Fleshy scale leaves. 4. Which of the following is a characteristic of alternate phyllotaxy? Answer. A. China rose. 5. In vexillary aestivation, the largest petal overlaps the two lateral petals, which in turn overlap the two smallest anterior petals. This is found in. Answer. D. Bean flower. 6. Pneumatophores are a specialized type of root found in plants growing in. Answer. C. Swampy, marshy areas. 7. In which of the following is the flower asymmetrical, cannot be divided into two similar halves by any vertical plane? Answer. B. Canna. 8. The morphological nature of the edible part of a coconut is. Answer. D. Endosperm. 9. In a epigynous flower, the ovary is situated below the. Answer. A. Sepals, petals and andrecium. 10. Which of the following is not a stem modification? Answer. C. Picture of Nepenthes. 11. The arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is termed as. Answer. C. Inflorescence. 12. In which family is the Gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus, ovary superior, and swollen placentation with many ovules found? Answer. B. Solanaceae. 13. The succulent stem of euphorbia is a modification for. Answer. A. Photosynthesis. 14. Placentation where ovules develop on the inner wall of the ovary or in peripheral part is. Answer. B. Parietal. 15. Which of the following is a non-essential part of a flower? Answer. C. Sepals and petals. 16. Root hair develops from which region of the root? Answer. A. Maturation. 17. Which of the following tissues has cells with thin walls, which store the products of photosynthesis? Answer. B. Parenchyma. 18. What kind of xylem arrangement is present, if the protoxylem lies next to the phloem? Answer. C. Exarch. 19. The Casparian strip is a characteristic feature of which layer, preventing water leakage? Answer. C. Endodermis. 20. Which vascular bundle type is commonly found in monocot stems? Answer. B. Closed and scattered. 21. What is the function of phloem parenchyma? Answer. B. Storage of food materials and latex. 22. Which tissue is responsible for the increase in girth, secondary growth, of plants? Answer. C. Vascular cambium. 23. Pits are present in the cell walls of which of the following? Answer. B. Vessels and tracheids. 24. In dicot stems, the vascular bundles are. Answer. B. Arranged in a ring. 25. What is the main characteristic of a monocot leaf? Answer. A. Isobilateral. 26. Which one of the following types of cell is involved in making the inner walls of blood vessels? Answer. C. Squamous epithelium. 27. To which one of the following categories does adipose tissue belong? Answer. B. Connective. 28. Which one of the following is not a connective tissue? Answer. D. Muscles. 29. The inner lining of the fallopian tubes, bronchioles, and small bronchi are lined with. Answer. C. Ciliated epithelium. 30. Smooth muscles are. Answer. A. Involuntary, fusiform, non-striated. 31. Which tissue covers the moist surface of the buccal cavity and pharynx? Answer. B. Compound epithelium. 32. Which of the following cells are found in cartilaginous tissue? Answer. B. Chondrocytes. 33. The material that connects, supports, or binds together other tissues or organs is. Answer. B. Connective tissue. 34. Which junction helps to stop substances from leaking across a tissue? Answer. C. Tight junction. 35. Cells of connective tissue that secrete structural proteins called collagen or elastin are. Answer. A. Fibroblasts. 36. The type of epithelial tissue present in the dry surface of the skin is. Answer. C. Compound, stratified squamous. 37. How many times does the nymphal stage of a cockroach molt to reach the adult form? Answer. B. 13. 38. Which of the following is the main excretory product of a cockroach? Answer. C. Uric acid, potassium urate. 39. In which abdominal segment are the anal cerci present in both male and female cockroaches? Answer. B. 10th. 40. The Malpighian tubules in cockroaches are present at the junction of. Answer. B. Midgut and hindgut. 41. What is the function of the gizzard in the digestive system of a cockroach? Answer. C. Grinding of food particles. 42. Which of the following is found only in male cockroaches? Answer. B. Anal styles. 43. The sclerites, hard chitinous plates, in the body segments of a cockroach are joined by. Answer. A. Articular membrane. 44. The mouthparts of a cockroach are adapted for. Answer. C. Chewing and biting. 45. How many segments are present in the abdomen of both male and female cockroaches? Answer. C. 10. 46. Which of the following protects the eyes of a frog while it is in water? Answer. B. Nictitating membrane. 47. Male frogs can be distinguished from female frogs by the presence of. Answer. C. Vocal sacs and copulatory pads. 48. In frogs, the process of transformation from a tadpole to an adult is called. Answer. B. Metamorphosis. 49. How many chambers are present in the heart of a frog? Answer. B. 3. 50. The frog's skin is slimy and slippery due to the presence of. Answer. B. Mucus glands. 51. Which of the following is responsible for carrying both urine and sperms in male frogs? Answer. C. Urinogenital duct. 52. Frogs are poikilodermous, cold-blooded animals. What does this mean? Answer. C. Their body temperature changes with the surrounding temperature. 53. The number of digits in the hindlimb and forelimb of a frog is respectively. Answer. B. 5, 4. 54. What is the correct term for the summer sleep observed in frogs? Answer. B. Aestivation. 55. Which part of the brain in frogs is responsible for vision? Answer. B. Optic lobes. That's all for today's MCQ session. Thank you.